Hello, my dear students of class center. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. My dear students, as earlier assigned homework, I think you haven't done or you haven't checked the homework as well. So, in your textbook, there is a composition or there is précis writing is very important in the competitive examinations. In the previous lecture, we also understand that précis, what is a précis and how to write a précis and what techniques we should adopt to write a précis. But you have a nerve response to write a précis, and I think I assigned you the topic précis writing, and you haven't write down the first drop or second drop of the précis writing as well. Okay, so unless you write a précis, you will not be able to understand it. So as practice makes man perfect. So in the previous lecture we we understood the lesson the day the dam broke, okay, and how the dam broke and what was the Thurbus essays. It is based upon the pseudonymic rumors, okay, how did rumor spread it and what was the reality. And I have also in the previous lecture given the assignment to answer to these questions. Okay, so in today's lecture we will also learn about the to and vary. So where we use to and vary. So because we have to understand the importance of the to and vary. So my dear students, vary merely increase the force of the adjective or an adverb that is qualified. To normally carries the idea of excessiveness. For suppose if I say that I am very tired, okay, I am giving you the example that I am very tired, it means I am tired, but I can do my homework. If I say that I am too tired to work, okay, I am too tired means I am enough tired, I cannot be able to work, okay, I haven't ability to do work because you have used to. Whenever you use very, it more increase the or if more emphasize to the adjective. Okay, I am very happy or I am too happy means over. It's over happy. I am very. It means very simple. You are happy as well. So now here, although he was very ill, he managed to write a letter. Okay, so try to understand the usage of very. Although he was very ill, he managed to write a letter to his son. He was very ill, but he managed to write. Okay? He managed to write a letter. He couldn't write a letter, he was too ill. As I just told you that whenever you use to, it is excessiveness of the degree of the adjective. Okay? He was too ill. That's why he couldn't write a letter. The car in front was going very fast, but we overtake it. The car was going very fast, but we overtake. If the car was going too fast, definitely you will not be able to overtake it. So because this is the usage of very, what is sense of very and what is sense of the to. Okay, if you to use the definitely there is impossible to do. If you use there very, definitely you can do something. Okay, as very more increases. For suppose it was a very difficult examination paper. It was too difficult in examination paper. Here, the difference between is that whenever you use very, don't put an article before noun. And whenever use to use article, okay, like this. So it was too difficult in examination paper. Here it was very difficult examination paper without article, okay, indefinite article. Hard and hardly, my dear students. Hardly means is a adverb quality. Hard is for suppose it is too hard. Hard is used both as adjective, a hard seat, a hard question. Hard seat or hard question is means difficult question. He deserved to pass become he had worked hard. He worked hard, it means he worked too much. For example, I hardly said the phone ring. Okay, I hardly means merely. He tried hard, he hardly tired. So this is a difference. This means that he made almost no effort at all. He tried hard means he worked to gain something. He hardly tried means he did not try to do something. So only means soul. He is an only child. Okay, only means alone. He is only child, it means he is alone. Okay, my dear students, but, although and though, these are the conjunctions. The mountain is high, but it is easy to climb. But, though the mountain is high, it is easy to climb. My dear students, whenever you these conjunction use at the beginning, you have to distribute the rest of the sentence with the comma. So like this, in the first, it is used at the middle position, middle of the sentence. So but, if you use the but as the beginning, okay, to use the distribute the rest of the sentence with commas. Like this, though the mountain is high, so here comma, it is easy to climb. You can also use the but to remove the comma. Although the mountain is high, but it is easy to climb. Okay. So here, my dear students, he worked hard, but he made little progress. But though he worked hard, he made little progress. So now, whenever you can also use but or though. Though use at the beginning and distribute the rest of the sentence with comma. Okay. They were poor but honest. They were honest though poor. So this is the sense. Whenever you use though, you can use their but. So but for means except for. He would have died but for the skill of his doctor. But for means because of. People kill on the roads. Okay. If people were not selfish and thoughtless. So here, my dear students, translation. So you have to translate the English sentences into Sindhi or Urdu. Okay, according to your choice that you have to translate. For suppose he was very busy, but he was willing to see me. He was very busy. वो busy था, लेकिन he was willing to see me. लेकिन वो मिलना चाहता था या वो राजी था मिलने के लिए. Okay, like this he was too busy to see anybody else. As I already told you, to is increase the extensive of the meaning. Okay, that book is sorry. He was too busy to see anybody else. So because वो इतना busy था तो किसी से नहीं मिल सका. Okay. So the weather was too hot. Okay, like this I have given you the meaning of the two, because whenever one person is too busy or too tired, one cannot do anything. Okay, my dear student, you can also do the same exercise according to it. Okay, this is a homework for you as well. So inshallah we will also commence another topic, lesson, Pakistan and the modern world. You have to also go through it and understand. Definitely we will also deliver, or we will also understand the lecture in the next lecture. Thank you.